paulit-ulit na sinabi sa akin ni Pangulong Duterte. Sabi niya, you make your own history in this world. So therefore, sa lahat ng desisyon mo, ay hindi ka pwede magturo ng ibang tao sa mga maling nagawa mo sa buhay mo. Kaya ma'am, balik tayo sa iyo. Nagpapatawad ako ma'am. Hindi ko kasi alam na si BBM. Hindi ko sinasabi ma'am ha, na kasalanan mo at binoto mo si BBM. Hindi ko alam ma'am, talaga totoo. Hindi ko rin alam talaga. Na, ang akala ko kasi, ang buong akala ko ma'am, dahil, syempre di ba, we had that dark past in our country. And the principal figure of that was Marcos Sr. So I was thinking that he would want a legacy that is better than what we had before. So, unfortunately, I did not vet properly my running mate, ma'am. But you know, I'm sure you have doubts about the Marcos already. But you know, ma'am, Senator Amy Marcos is a different individual altogether. And she was the one who was my friend, who is my friend since 2012. BBM I met in 2015. Sorry, 20 before the 2020. Yes ma'am, 2020. BBM I met in 2020 when they visited Davao City. So, yes. And as PRD said, you make your own history in this world, and I apologize for that decision, ma'am.